Okay, hi everyone, this is part 2 of how to make your good Yorkshire puddings. So what I've done is in the oven I've had some, it looks like there's a lot of fat in the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, it'll probably steam up. It looks all grainy. But you put maybe a quarter of a teaspoonful of fat in there, and then you put that in the oven so that the fat goes really hot, and that is the secret to good Yorkshire puddings. So I'll try and pour with one hand and point this while I do it. So I fill them about half full. The fat actually doesn't seem as hot as it should be, but hopefully they'll still work out okay. And I'm hoping you can see the mixture. Usually when you pour in the mixture into the fat should be bubbling a bit. Not too much, because that'll fry them before they start to cook. So
you're not spoiling my Yorkshire puddings, are you?
Probably, you know, they're bound not to turn out right when I'm filming. So that's those, and I'm just going to put those in the oven. The oven is on 240 Fahrenheit or 230 Fahrenheit, so got to be quick. So John,
who's going to watch this?
John, they're dying to know. Okay, see you for the next one. Bye for now.